Hello and welcome. In this special story, you will learn 5 synonyms for happy in a fun and natural way. Each episode will introduce you to a new word that describes happiness differently. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 2. A moment of delight. Sophia was walking in the park when she saw children playing with colorful balloons. A warm feeling filled her heart. She felt delight. One child handed her a balloon. She smiled and said, "Oh, this is delightful." Part 3. Feeling ecstatic. A few days later, Sophia received an email. She got her dream job. She jumped with excitement. This was true ecstasy, a happiness so strong she couldn't contain it. She texted her friend, "I'm absolutely ecstatic. I got the job." Part 4. The joy of elation. On her first day at work, Sophia dressed up, looked in the mirror, and whispered, "I feel elated." Elation is a deep, uplifting happiness. Every step she took toward her new job filled her with excitement. Part 5. A blissful moment. Sitting at her new office desk, Sophia looked out the window. A sense of bliss washed over her, a deep, peaceful happiness. She smiled and thought, "This moment is pure bliss." Part 6. Overjoyed beyond words. Weeks later, her boss called her in. "You've done an amazing job, so we're giving you a bonus." Sophia was overjoyed, so happy that words couldn't describe it. She called her mom. "Mom, I'm overjoyed. They gave me a bonus." Part 7. A celebration of happiness. To celebrate, Sophia invited her friends for a party. Laughter and music filled the air. Her friends smiled and said, "You are glowing with happiness." Part 8. The feeling of satisfaction. Months later, Sophia realized she had achieved her dreams. She felt satisfaction, a happiness that comes from reaching your goals. She smiled and said, "I feel completely satisfied with my life." Part 9. A moment of serenity. One weekend, Sophia sat by the ocean, listening to the waves. A deep serenity filled her, a peaceful kind of happiness. She sighed and whispered, "This is the most peaceful happiness I've ever felt." Part 10. The end or a new beginning. After everything, Sophia realized that happiness is not a destination. It's a journey. She closed her journal, smiled, and wrote, "Happiness comes in many forms. Enjoy every moment."